Wow, trees lined up on both sides of the road, lush greenery, surrounded by nature. But being right in the heart of Mumbai, is this even possible? Well, yes, it is. Come visit one of the most recent Taj properties in Mumbai, Hotel Taj the Trees in Vikhroli. I went there for a one night staycation with my family. I was warmly welcomed by the staff there. The traditional tikka, mala, and welcome drink were all done to perfection. Check in was totally hassle free. The room that we had booked was getting ready for our welcome, and until then, we were gently asked by the staff to relax in one of their city view rooms, which was on the seventh floor. So here we are in the city view room, which also has the views of the pool down below. The buildings across are all in Godrej property, and the view is nice, but I would still want to see the mangrove facing rooms which we have booked. So until then, I will give you a room tour of this category of room. Have a look. So upon entry on your left hand side, you have this huge bathroom with this bathtub and the toiletries, magnifying mirror, hair dryer, weighing scale, and a separate toilet area. There is a bidet here, and you have a separate shower area. And the best thing is they have a bench like thing where even elders can sit and have a bath if they are uncomfortable standing and having a bath. And this door right here is the partition between the room and the bathtub area. And if you open it up, you can have a bath while enjoying the view outside. Well, we didn't do it, so I don't know if you're staying with families, I don't think this is possible. But if you're on a honeymoon or a couple staying, then yes, you can do it. And you have your coffee station, all the nuts and everything is paid, but your tea coffee obviously is on the house. They have glass bottle for refilling your water, bathrobes, iron board, and all the usual stuff that is there in a hotel room is definitely available here as well. And now we get a call letting us know that our room, which is the mangrove facing room, is ready. So let's go. This room was on the 8th floor. The layout of the room was almost the same as the previous one. Everything looked the same. This room might be slightly bigger. Oh wow, look at that. What a welcome. Welcome to Taj the Tree. This decor is really amazing. This was a total surprise, and it really made me feel so special. Thank you, Taj the Trees. We truly appreciate this. And this property strongly believes in sustainability, and that's why I think the decor is also done up with plants, real plants. It's really nice. And look at that view. The best thing about this room is the view there, the view of mangrove. Can you believe we are in Mumbai? It's unbelievable. Well, they also have put some goodies for us like salted cashews, almonds, some chocolates, and some fruits. Very, very nice and pleasing gesture. Truly appreciate. The bathroom layout, bathtub, toiletries, the toilet area, the shower area, everything is almost the same as the previous room. We had a lovely time relaxing in this room, relishing these freebies and watching these mangroves, and also watching these flights approach landing on the Mumbai International Airport. And now's the time to move out and explore this property. I was invited for a walkthrough of the property, and here this lady, one of their staff, is showing us around all their conference rooms, banquet halls, and all the amenities and facilities that they have in this property. They have a couple of banquet rooms, some are big, some are small, where you can have your parties, events, conferences. They have the pre-event, post-event area, the dining area, And this huge conference room also has a lawn attached to it, so you can have an outdoor seating or some counters laid outside in the open air if you wish to. So they have lots of facilities. If you want to check them out for your event, you can definitely do so. Do you see that big chimney? We were told it belongs to the Godrej soap factory, which used to be here previously. At the ground level, they also have a patisserie where you can grab a quick bite and move on for your work or something. Our next stop is the Mangrove Bar, which is on the 12th floor. It is a rooftop bar, and look at the views from here, guys. It's amazing. Kids aren't allowed here, but adults can have a lovely time here while indulging in your favorite drinks. This is the bar area, and I think they are going to start a gin cellar over here very soon. They have all the preparations done, but I think they are going to start it really soon. Now let's check out their infinity pool, which is on the third level of the hotel, and I have been longing to take a dip here. They also have a kids area over here. Can you see that separate area? That's the kids swimming pool. And oh my god, we had a lovely time here playing in the water, chilling and having fun. They also have their wellness area where they have their in-house salon, gym area and spa facilities. For spa, you need to book an appointment. A prior appointment is required because they generally go full. In fact, we were unable to see any of their spa rooms because they were all occupied. At about 6:30 p.m., we were invited to come to the lobby area, as that's the time they start lighting up their tree of life. And they asked me if I would like to join them in doing so, and I readily agreed, and I enjoyed myself lighting up these candles on the tree of life. The evening views adorned the sky, and I enjoyed these views with a cup of hot coffee. And before we even knew, it was time for dinner. So we came to their restaurant called Shamiana for the buffet dinner that was included in our package. Check out the dinner. They had lots of options: soups, starters, salads, main courses, Chinese, continental, Indian, desserts, ice creams, everything that you could think of was there on offer. We had a lovely time over here, and their staff took such good care of us. Every few minutes, someone or the other would come and inquire if we needed anything, were we comfortable or not. Amazing service. Really enjoyed this dinner experience. You check out the entire dinner buffet, and I will meet you next morning. morning. What a beautiful morning it is. And frankly, I woke up quite late because I slept really well. And it was almost time that we needed to go for breakfast, else we would have missed it. But luckily, the buffet breakfast that is included in the package is available till 11 a.m. every Sunday, which is really nice. So we could actually have breakfast and we did not miss it. Again, a huge variety of dishes from South Indian idli, medhu vadas, dosas to Gujarati jalebi, fafda, poha, upma, parathas to continental fare, breakfast staples like croissants, pastries, sausages, donuts, everything was on offer. There were live counters for dosas, parathas, fresh breads, puris, and eggs to order. The only thing I could point out was that due to heavy inflow of guests on Sunday morning, the live counters were taking too long to get your orders delivered. Beyond this, I truly and thoroughly enjoyed my stay here. I had no complaints at all. In fact, I was all praises for them. If you wish to know how much I spent on this 5-star staycation in Mumbai, or how I booked it, or any other details for that matter, feel free to comment below and I shall provide you with all the information. There's lots more on offer in this lavish breakfast, so do check it out before we move further. With crispy hot dosas, soft succulent parathas, medhu vadas, and some desserts, and most importantly, some animated conversations with family and friends, we ended this breakfast on a really high note. For one last time, enjoy this beautiful scenery and this view, and I will take your leave and see you in my next video. Take good care of yourself. Bye for now.